another failed assassination attempt on VP Constantine Chiwenga's life on 17 April 2026. Sarapina mashoko budatoko pana panalin M kutatadza kuti VP Constantine Chiwenga vari panguva yakaoma. Takanzwa even mutsvangwa achitaura achipa warnings kuna VP Constantine Chiwenga faction achiti just wait until 2030 and make sure you remain healthy. Zvinoreva kuti pane speculations akawanda on Chiwenga's life. Remember, subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tuna pa India link M Abdul Chiti, military intelligence officer MIO Presidential Guard Harare region, who was supposed to be busy at the Independence Day celebration in Mapisa, but instead was busy running Kubakwashe Saideti errands. TSHABANGU is supervised by Brigadier General Monda, and he was caught in New Orleans carrying a bag of money coming from the offices of Kubakwashe, the Temo president. The money has been confiscated and is under arrest in investigation. TSHABANGU was resisting arrest from the ZRP crack team, and he pulled out an AK-47 in a law. The officer of his rank is supposed to be possession of a pistol, not an AK-47. The information with the V11 indicates that he was on a mission to assassinate VP Chiwenga and General Sanyatwe, with instructions coming from his handlers, both Kubakwashe and his sidekick, Brigadier General Monda. He's been trying to force the police to release him to no avail, thanks to the commissioner of Police Mutamba for heeding the call of duty. Temo president has crossed the Rubicon, and I wonder what he's hoping to achieve with this. TSHABANGU is the same guy who led the beating of Professor Maduko during the Cav3 consultations, which was one of the 24 operations assigned to him by his handlers, the Temo president and his sidekick, Monda. Doma developments and Obdanyo Kopangwa anyway, VP Constantine Chiwenga survivor, another deadly attack from the Uganda. Pina comments each episode of Mura email to be subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.